What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something absolutely insane. We're going to make your next trip 1,000 times easier and way more fun. I'm about to show you 10 travel hacks so good, the airlines literally don't want you to know about them. These tips will change the way you travel forever, saving you time, saving you money, saving you a ton of stress. I literally spent a fortune testing these hacks with a bunch of people to prove they work. You won't believe the results. Before we jump into the first hack, I need you to do something for me. If you want more insane challenges and life-changing tips, smash that subscribe button. We're on a mission to hit our next big milestone. Every one of you counts. Hit subscribe now. If even one hack helps you, share it, and like this video. Let's get this to 1 million likes. Okay, get ready. This is going to be a wild ride, packing secrets that will blow your mind. Digital tricks that make you feel like a secret agent. I've assembled a team. We've booked flights. We're putting these 10 legendary hacks to the ultimate test. The person who uses these hacks best might win a surprise trip anywhere in the world. You're not going to want to miss a single second. Let's go. Alright, first up is a hack that sounds simple, but it is an absolute game changer. We're talking about packing light with versatile clothing. Now I know what you're thinking. Travels, I need my 10 pairs of shoes and 20 different outfits. But trust me, you don't. Airlines make a fortune on baggage fees, and we're going to beat them at their own game. Overpacking is your worst enemy. It costs you money, it breaks your back, and it makes moving around a total nightmare. The secret is creating a capsule wardrobe. It's a small collection of essential items that can be mixed and matched to create a ton of different outfits. We challenged our first contestant, Sarah, to pack for a 1-week trip to Europe using only a carry-on and this principle. We gave her a list, a few neutral-colored shirts, 1 or 2 pairs of good pants or jeans that go with everything, a versatile jacket and comfortable shoes. Think black, white, gray, and maybe 1 or 2 accent colors. Every top has to match every bottom. It's like a puzzle, and the prize is freedom from baggage claim. Look at this. Sarah laid out all her clothes. Instead of a mountain of random items, she has a curated collection. A black t-shirt can be worn for a casual day of exploring, but pair it with a nice jacket, and suddenly she's ready for a fancy dinner. The same pair of dark jeans works for hiking during the day and going out at night. This isn't about sacrificing style, it's about being smart with your style. She's literally fitting a week's worth of outfits into a bag half the size of what she normally takes. The benefits are insane. First, no checked bag fees. Okay, maybe I didn't hire a hacker, but this next tip is your ultimate defense against travel disasters. Hack number 2, keep digital and physical copies of all your important documents: passport, driver's license, flight tickets, hotel confirmations, travel insurance. If you lose your wallet or your phone dies, you are in huge trouble in a foreign country. You need a backup for your backup. Here's the challenge. We told our contestant Mike he lost his wallet and phone right after landing. Nightmare, right? But Mike was prepared. First, physical copies. He printed his passport photo page, his visa, and his flight confirmation, and hid them in a separate pocket. This is your first line of defense. Next, a digital fortress. He uploaded to the cloud and emailed copies to himself and a trusted family member. If he loses his phone, he can log in anywhere and access everything. He could get a temporary passport faster, check into his hotel, and stay in control. Don't be that person. Take 10 minutes before you leave. It's the cheapest insurance policy you'll ever get. There is nothing worse than being in an amazing new place and seeing your phone battery hit 5%. Your map, your translator, your camera, everything is gone. Hack number 3 is all about never letting that happen again. You absolutely must bring a reliable portable charger and a universal adapter. In today's world, a dead phone isn't just annoying, it can be genuinely unsafe. You want at least 10,000 mAh, about 2 or 3 full phone charges. Don't cheap out on this. A good quality power bank is one of the best travel investments you'll make. That's why a universal adapter is non-negotiable. It's like a transformer for electricity. Alright, This next hack is pure magic, and it's going to let you fit double the stuff into your suitcase. Hack number 4, use packing cubes and roll your clothes. Roll into tight logs. Cubes turn your bag into drawers. Cubes slide in like perfect Tetris. Rolling plus packing cubes. Ani now. Not a trick, just smarter. This next hack isn't about packing or gadgets, it's about something way more important, your safety. Hack number 5 is to always share your itinerary with someone you trust, and keep emergency contacts easily accessible. Maria emailed flights, hotel, daily plan, and carried an emergency card. Tom didn't prepare. He didn't know the local emergency number and couldn't remember contacts without his phone. Maria stayed calm, showed her hotel details, and had a check-in time system. This isn't about being scared, it's about being smart and responsible. Okay, let's talk about something nobody wants to think about. Travel insurance. Hack number 6. Know what you're buying. One medical emergency abroad can cost you thousands. The ambulance, the hospital visit, the x-rays, the cast, even flight changes. The cheap policy had low medical limits, activity exclusions, and no trip interruption. The better policy covered hiking, had massive medical coverage, interruption benefits, and a 24/7 assistance line. Ben was completely covered. Read the policy, medical limits, activity exclusions, and cancellation interruption coverage. Don't just buy insurance, buy the right insurance. This next hack could save you hundreds with a single click. It's hack number 7. Whenever possible, book flexible or refundable tickets. Life is unpredictable. We tested it. Non-refundable meant hold music, fees, and lost money. Flexible cost a bit more, but she canceled online and got a full refund. No stress. Think of flexible tickets as insurance, especially on big international flights. Hack number 8. Learn a few basic local phrases and research cultural norms. Hello, konnichiwa. Thank you. Arigato. Excuse me. Sumimasen. Yes. Hi. Delicious. Oishi. A few words turn transactions into connections for Amy. Quick research prevents awkward moments and shows respect. Hack number 9. Load the right travel apps, especially offline. Download entire city maps. GPS still works without data. Translate, currency conversion, and guides. No roaming needed. With a little prep, your phone becomes the ultimate travel cheat code. This is our final hack, and it might be the most important one for your sanity. Hack number 10. Build downtime and buffer time into your schedule. We try to cram everything into a few days, running from one thing to the next. This turns your vacation into a stressful checklist, coming home more exhausted than when you left. 2 contestants, Emily and Frank, same itinerary, different pacing. Frank was packed 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., no breaks. Emily had buffer time and daily downtime. A subway delay wrecked Frank's plan. He rushed, got irritable, and burned out. Emily took her time, embraced discovery, and stayed relaxed and happy. Don't just schedule things to see, schedule time to be. And that is it. 10 hacks that will completely revolutionize the way you travel. Montage recap of all 10 hacks. We saw how packing light and smart, capsule wardrobe, packing cubes, let David beat a magician. We saw how having digital backups and physical backups saved Mike from a total disaster. From having the right charger to buying the right insurance, these tips are designed to save you money, time, and a massive amount of stress. It's not about spending more, it's about being prepared so you can focus on what travel is really about, having an amazing, unforgettable experience. I really hope you guys found this useful. We spent a ton of time and resources putting these challenges together to show you how much of a difference these hacks can make. If you learned even one thing today that you'll use on your next trip, then it was all worth it. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we have even crazier and more helpful videos coming your way. And please share this video with anyone you know who loves to travel or is planning a trip. Now, I want to hear from you. We've gone through my top 10 list, from packing light to building in downtime. But the world of travel knowledge is endless, and the best tips often come from personal experience. So, I have one final question for you. What's your top travel tip for stress-free journeys?